I hope everyone's having a great weekend. I want to welcome everyone to our channel. Welcome to another one of our videos. We got another update for Nano Dimension Company. We'll cover the short report, the ARK updates on the stock as well, and we'll talk about where we see the stock is heading and our covered call positions on the stock. You want to really pay attention to that. You might want to do it as well. And then we'll also have a special weekly report of what profits we made this past week. And all links will be in the below description. If you're new to our channel, please click any of the money icons below to review any of our past videos. Please click the like button and subscribe. So let's get busy. Here's our current position. We have 1,000 shares. We paid for them about $7,090 for 1,000 shares. We're looking at profits of $1,754 in a 90-day period. That represents a 24.7% for a 3-month period, or a 8% monthly against the stock, because we performed covered calls. The first covered call we did was in May, and we collected that $507 worth of premium. The second here, we've done, remember, we're only doing 5 options. We're not doing the whole 10. We're leaving 5 open. So just in case, it goes upward bound, and then we can go ahead and capitalize that at a higher rate. But we're doing something a little bit different this time, is because I put another option against it for the month out in addition to that. And I picked up $612 of premium on Friday. So we still have these premiums outstanding. We'll see what happens with them coming up here on the 18th of June and on the 16th of July. So we're going to go ahead and keep doing monthlies on this puppy and see how much profit we can pick up on this stock. All right, let's look at our tracker here. How much cash we've been making. In May, we didn't do so well because all our tech stocks kind of went down. So we only picked up about $672 for the month. So we had a 0.5% return. So far in June, we picked up $1,199, almost a 1% return. Remember, we try to get about a 3% a month, even though we failed the last 2 months. So we need to pick it up and get another 3% for this month. All right, here's the stock and what happened on Friday. The NASDAQ went up 1.47%, whereas the Nano Dimension went up 5.78%. On increased volume, the market cap still around $2 billion. Remember, they have about $1.5 billion in cash. Let's look at what the analysts are already saying for June. June, we currently have 1 strong buy and 1 regular buy for June. Let's go ahead and check out ARK Investments. Nano Dimension is still in the number 18th position at a 1.93% of the fund and still maintaining a 7.7 million shares. So they still have all their shares that they had previous week. Nothing has changed here. Let's hit the chart and then we're going to go into the short interest. All right, what I did here was I put down a comparison against the NASDAQ. This blue line up here is the NASDAQ. So I can show you the resemblance of the NASDAQ affecting this stock as well. Okay, you see this little dip right here? It happened about 512. That's when we dipped. So just keep an eye on the NASDAQ. See what direction the NASDAQ goes. Then you know where possibility of the stock is going to go. If we're going to have an up day or a down day. What else is coming into play here is the short interest. Okay, and we're going to get into the short interest here in a minute. Apparently some of these shorts are covering, and that's what's pushing some of the stock up. You have some larger volume days compared to other days. But we're seeing a lot more green here. So I believe she is going to keep taking this trend line up. And we might get back up here to the $9.38 mark if we keep going like this. As long as the NASDAQ going up or going sideways, we're going to be okay. But when the NASDAQ starts taking a dive, and it will, because remember, stocks go up, stocks go down, it's going to affect the stock. I just want you guys to keep that in mind. And that's why I perform covered calls. So at least I know what my profits are. So that's my belief. We can go all the way up here to these levels of between 8 all the way up to 9.15 at the highs. But then it can also come back down until we start seeing some serious profits coming out of earnings. This is just a company that's going to be acquiring other companies and starting off. The short interest, we're still at 12.2 0.03%. And remember, the short interest increased to 29.9 million shares. So whenever those shorts cover, what happens is the share price goes up. I wanted to keep this a short video this weekend. I want you guys to enjoy your weekends with your families and everything. Please share our videos with others. And if you have any comments or suggestions, go ahead and put them down in the below area. And click our like button so then other people can see our videos as well. And subscribe to our channel so you can get our future content. Thank you all again for watching. This is Sonny. I'm out.